Hey guys! Today I am going to be, well, actually, let's rewind. You guys, we have reached 4,000 subscribers and I'm so happy to be able to say that. You guys have no idea how excited and looking forward to reaching 5,000, and I just wanted to say that I love you guys so much and I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much, and I thank you for showing me so much love and support always. And 4,000 doesn't seem like a lot, but girl, it's a lot for me. Thank you guys again. I love you so much. Today I wanted to do like a little fun video, I guess. I was on my phone and I check my emails every day. I know that's kind of boring, and I got an email of House of Lashes, and they were having this, I guess I've never seen it, but it's like a mystery bag of lashes, and it was on sale for like $25 or $26 for 6 pairs of lashes. And if you shop at House of Lashes online, their website, you know that their lashes are pricey. Like they range from $9 to $12 to $15 depending on which one. So I'm like, 6 lashes for $26 to $25. If you do the math, I think it was 24, something like that. If you do the math, each lash is around $4, and these lashes last you a long time. They are very good lashes basically. So for $6 a piece, that's how much I'd be paying for the Ardell Demi Wispies that you get at Ulta and stuff like that. So I'm like, I need to try this. I need to see if it's worth it. I was thinking, I was like, what if they're getting all the sale ones and putting it in a bag and calling it a mystery bag, which it's kind of what happened, because I'm going to be showing you guys all the prices, showing you guys what they look like, just to see if it's worth getting this mystery bag. So my mystery bag came in this little baby pink envelope thing, which I was kind of confused about, because every time I order House of Lashes, it comes in a box. So I was confused, but whatever. And then it came with this little sheet, basically showing you how to put on lashes. Cute stuff, cute little detail. The actual bag itself looked like this, which I was like, they could have put more effort into this. Look, kind of ugly, but whatever. It's a bag. It's not a big deal. You're paying for the lashes. I will say that I'm wearing one of them right now, and it was the smallest ones that they gave me. They're not the prettiest lashes I got. They're super natural, and when I first saw them, I was like, I don't know about these. But once I try them on, they're really natural. The band is so thin, makes it super easy to put on and hide the lash line. So I like that about them. And they are the Tinkerbell ones. And every time I've bought in lashes from House of Lashes, I noticed that these are on sale. So we're about to find out what was the price. This is the packaging. And they're the Neverland Lashes. And I'm going to pull them up. They look like this. And they are $5, you guys. That is it, $5. I'm going to see if my $22 were worth it. It said it was like a $60-something value, a $66 value. I did get these lashes about 3 days ago. I ordered them. It took about a week and a half to get here like normal, and I did wear this one pair, which I have on right now, which I'm hoping you guys can see, because they're just so natural. And $5 if you buy these individually is a good deal. I'm pretty sure I would rebuy this pair, and I wasn't even sure that I would like it. I guess the good thing about these grab bags is that you can try different pairs of lashes that you wouldn't normally get, because you don't know what you're getting. And I'll show you guys what I got next. The next one I want to pull is one of these little ones. This one I kind of don't really like. I want to see how it looks on the eyes, of course. But this is in the Bombshell. It's called Bombshell. And let's see what they're going to be. So right now we're at $5. So these Bombshell ones are on sale for $5 too. So pretty much I feel like they are doing what I thought, which is basically giving you all of the sale ones. These are on sale for $5, so that makes my total bag right now worth $10. I like these a lot. These are in the style Bambi. So Bambi are $9. That's their regular price. So there goes ding ding ding, one that isn't on sale basically. So right now my bag is at $19 and we've only gone through 3 lashes. The next one I wanted to show you guys, it's really interesting. When I saw it I was like, what is this? Like, I've never worn something like this. So I was really intrigued about this one. They're mini lashes. These are bottom lashes, you guys, and I've never thought about trying bottom lashes because I'm like, oh, top lashes are such a hassle. Imagine taking the time to put in bottom lashes as well. I was just skeptical about them, but now that I have them with me, I am going to definitely try them out and see how I like them, because what if they turn out really pretty and I like how they look and they're not hard to put on and stuff. So I'm glad I got these. These are in the style Darling, so let's see how much they are. $7, that is the regular price of these. So we're at $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26 total for this bag for 4 lashes. Don't let me forget that. And then I saw this thing right here. These are the individual lashes, and I've tried them before, not these but the Ardell ones. They were just kind of hard for me to put on, so yeah, I never bought them again. I'm gonna give these another chance because I have them and they're really pretty on me. I'm sure it makes lashes look a lot natural. Yeah, I wasn't really excited about these just because I've tried the other ones before, and like I said, I had a hard time putting them on, but you never know. Okay, these are on sale for $7, so $7 for these, and we're at $26, $27, $28, $29, $30, $31, $32, $33 total for my bag worth. $33, and I mean, these are cute or whatever, so I'm gonna try them out. I mean, I have them, I already paid for them. I don't think you can return these either. It says you couldn't individually return them, so you can't do that to get more money, you know what I'm saying? And the last pair of lashes, I actually am in love with these, and I feel like, I don't know, I love these so much. Look how beautiful these are. These are in the Featherette. These are called Featherette, and they're $12 originally. They're on sale for $10, so that makes, if I'm doing my calculations correct, my bag worth $43. And I love these lashes. I love these a lot. I haven't worn them. I'm waiting to wear them, but they are beautiful. I love the packaging. As you can see, they are a lot smaller than the other ones, but I mean, this one is a lot bigger packaging wise compared to the other ones, but I really like them. So my first impression was that I was surprised because I didn't know what to expect. And when I first opened them, I was very confused about 2 or 3 of them. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to wear these. But now that I have them with me, I'm excited to try them out. I believe $22 is worth it for all of these. If not, just get the ones you like individually. I know not every single person gets the exact same lashes. As far as I read, they made it seem like not everyone gets the same lashes. It's a mystery bag, so that is what I got. So I only paid like 17 bucks plus tax and shipping. So it was like I paid like $22, but if I pay for shipping and stuff like that, you would have paid like $27, almost $30. So that is when you think like, oh, is this worth it or not? They promised me like $66 total worth of stuff, but it's only like $43 just because a lot of these were on sale. So I'm pretty sure that they get the ones that aren't selling and they put them in this bag, which is a smart idea. But I mean, I'm still glad I got to try it, and they're not selling it for that regular price. They are selling it for $22, which makes each lash worth $3.66, so almost $4 for each lash. That is a great deal, you guys. I've already worn these actually like 3 times, so, or twice. This is my second time. This might be my second time, and they're holding up just fine. They look just great. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Let me know which lashes are your favorite ones. Definitely for me are these. I love these, and probably the little ones that I'm wearing. Let me know if you purchased any of these, or which ones are your favorite lashes, or which brands. I'm always open to use different brands of lashes, because so far I only know about like this one, Ardell, and like those basic ones, but lashes are so expensive nowadays, you guys. Like, I ain't trying to spend that much on lashes, so whatever, drop your suggestions down below. I just wanted to say that I love you guys so much. Let me know if you want a tutorial on this eye look. It is super simple, but it's super pretty and flattering on the eye. I will definitely do that for you guys. And I just wanted to say that I love you guys so much, and that I'll see you in my next one. Bye!